Hello there.
Hello, my friend.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Such a privilege to meet so many different people from so many different places.
I was wondering, can you show me around your
Of
area
course.
here?
Look,
You have well-earned skill
over
points.
here we have some Vibranium on display.
Oh, Vibranium.
Yes, it's
Oh,
Vibranium.
very rare, very rare.
Yes, it's a very rare metal, only found in Wakanda. Yes, and my suit is also made out of Vibranium.
Oh boy, and that's very tough, right? It's hard to...
Yes, it's very resistant. And also, my sister Sherry, she designed the shoe for me. So, she also made updates where it holds kinetic energy for redistribution. So it's very helpful when protecting the people of Wakanda.
Excellent, excellent. Well, is there anything else of interest?
Over here we have our Gamoyo beads. And Gamoyo beads have so many different functions. They are used as homing beacons, communication devices, and even medicinal use as well.
Excellent, excellent.
And then over here we have Sherry's different designs.
Well, I appreciate your tour. This was wonderful.
course.
It's great to see you,
It's an
sir.
honor to be able to share the culture of Wakanda with others.
Thank you so
and I
much.
hope I can consider you an ally.
Oh, of course. I'm a team hero.
Of course. Well, I wish you success on your mission here.
Thank you very much. Thank you.